So if you're like me and you got a new Sony camera and a new Sony G or GM lens, you may be trying to figure out how to customize that little button on the side of your GM lens. So in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to customize this button. The first thing you wanna do is go into the menu. Then you wanna go ahead and go down to where it says Setup. Then you're gonna go to number 3 is Operation Customize. Then you can either do this for video or you could do it for photos. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click on it for video. And then you wanna go down to the lens. And by default, it's set on focus hold. You're gonna go ahead and click on it. And then you can change it to whatever it is that you wanna change it to. I actually was using, let me just see if I can find it. I actually put it on record mode so that when I hit the side button, it actually starts recording video for me. So I'm actually gonna close out. And I'm just gonna show you really quickly. My screen is probably a little overexposed, but if I hit that, you see the little record. And that's an easy fix if you're sitting in front of the camera and you need to record quickly. So that's one of the ways that I set it up. You can set it up for shooting in crop mode. There's a ton of options. So if you found this video helpful, please do leave me a like, comment, and share the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.